So here we're attaching the piping. What's really important is that the corded bit is exactly right at the edge of the foot. So I use a hem marker to make sure it's exactly where it needs to be. And then this will be folded into the seam, so all that you get sticking out is the corded bit. And because I have two of these, it's delightfully easy. I can just slip that under there and then continue on. Great. And then we will just snip these exactly where they need to be snipped. And then snip this. Okay, good. There we are. So that's how it looks before, and when you put it in the end, it will look, you'll just see that little bit sticking up on the seam, which will look really nice.